In this video, we'll demonstrate integrating CyberArk Certificate Manager into Identity using the OpenID Connect template. You will need to have admin access to both the CyberArk Identity Platform and the Certificate Manager. In the Identity Platform, navigate to Apps and Widgets, Web Apps, and click Add Web App. Click the Custom tab and add the OpenID Connect template. Enter a unique application ID. You can also update the name, description, and logo if you like. Click Trust. Open and log into Certificate Manager. You will need to share data between the two systems. In Certificate Manager, navigate to Settings, Single Sign-On. Copy the client ID from Identity and paste it into the Certificate Manager. Copy the issuer URL from Identity to Certificate Manager. From Certificate Manager, copy the SSO login URL and add it to the Identity platform. Add the client secret. This must be the same in both systems. The secret is limited to alphanumeric characters only. Copy the redirect URL from Certificate Manager and add it to the Identity platform. Save the settings in Identity. Click Permissions and add the roles that can access the Certificate Manager. This will deploy the web app. In the Certificate Manager, make sure all the required fields are filled and click Test Connection. When the test completes successfully, you will be able to save the settings. From this point, users can access Certificate Manager from the tile and secure access. For more information, check out our online documentation.